Hello and welcome to Intro to Early Childhood Education. My name is Lisa Webb and I will be your instructor this quarter. I have been in early learning for over 30 years as a coach, family child care provider, preschool teacher, and now an instructor. If you look to the left of your screen, you will see a Modules tab. Click on this to find all your assignments, quizzes, and discussions. This will be your roadmap through the quarter for you. If you stick in the modules, it will give you all of the due dates, and all of the assignments will be right there. Please do not hesitate to email me if you have a question or an issue in Canvas. I answer all of my emails within 24 hours. I am looking forward to getting to know you and reading all of your assignments and discussions. Again, please email me or call me if you have a problem. You may email me through Canvas or call me at 253-680-7527.